Pull down your underwear. Oh man.
You always sing that on Halloween, right?
Yeah, not Christmas.
Yeah.
Not on Christmas.
You have to say, Merry Christmas.
You guys want to go to this house?
What happened to the witch?
She crept into that pole. She also going.
What did it do, Kendall?
She bumped into that pole.
Oh yeah, is that what the witch did?
Uh-huh. And then she said doing. And then she hit her face.
Oh man. You do it again, Cross.
Doing. Let's knock on the door.
What do you say?
Here you go. You can take something that you like. Alright.
What do you say?
Happy Halloween, guys.
Happy Halloween.
No, you have to stay here, so.
Thank you.
You gotta start that part. Yeah, there are more kids coming.
Bye. Say thank you.
Thank you. I said thank you, Dada. No, not. That's not. That's not.
Hey, trick or treat?
Kendall, I didn't hear you.
You may choose one.
It's broken.
Okay. Be safe out there.
What do you say?
You're welcome. What a
Look
cutie.
at louder.
You did. Great job.